Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOSGods on your iPhone. It's a very simple method. Just simply on the Safari and search iOSGods.com. So once you have opened the app, so this is the app, iOSGods app. So once you have opened the app, simply enter to the once you have opened the website, simply get into the website. And you can see there will be an option of free install. Press on the free install and you will see there will be an instruction. Just simply go through the instruction and it will be installed. Okay, now open the iOSGods app and now you can download any of the game you wanted to play in your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video.